All the information provided in this video are for educational purpose and not intended to provide any trading advice. We are not SEBI register. Trading or investing in stock market may be risky, so consult your trading advisor before making any trading decision.
Hello everyone, you can see this is Nifty future, and suppose if you wanted to trade in Nifty option, then which strategy we have to follow. So first of all, I want to tell you one thing. Whenever you want to trade in Nifty options, you can just check what is the scenario of Nifty future or a Nifty spot. Is it bullish trend or a bearish trend? So according to that, we can choose call option and put option. Okay. So on the 25th June, it was bullish trend and continuously going upside, and the afternoon time it was going to negative side and software generate a sell call. So you can see that arrow of a red color which is indicating a sell signal, and if you can see that green arrow which is tell you about buy call. Okay. So now I wanted to tell you about the option trading, how to analyze option calls. So I'll come to the option strategy. This strategy will tell you about whatever call are coming there, how to understand, how to analyze, and when to enter and when to exit. Okay. So I'll go back. I'll show you about our two calls in a day. It was coming in a 24,350 put option. Okay. So 24,350 put option, it was generated buy signal. So you can see there is a blue color candle. So doesn't matter if it is a blue color candle, you also can trade in a blue color candle. But the thing is that the parameter should be on buying favor. Which parameters we have to follow? I'll tell you. You can see there is a green color arrow and candle. So it means it's generating a buy signal. Okay. That doesn't mean it is a confirmation candle. When the candle come, when the first candle close and the next candle appear, then only we can take a buy entry. But just make sure what is the parameter. The parameter should be on buying favor. So I'll tell you about the parameters. Parameter is like that. The volume bar on the bottom, it should be a green color. Percentage of buyers should be 50-55. It was 88% buyers. These two circles, this green box, these three things are matched, and price action also 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if you can see there is a volume green, box green, circle green, percentage of buyers, price action, everything is matched, then you can easily take entry and book your profit on your first target. Okay. If your first target has been done, then just exit from the trade. Not wait for second target, because you are a beginner, you are not used to it. So you have to wait for first target as some days, and then you can wait for stop loss also or a second target also once you understand the concept and you used to it. Because you can see after some time, if you reach the target, after some time the candle become a white color and a red color somewhere, and the volume become a gray color. So software is telling to you here you can exit or you can maintain the stop loss. So after some time again went up and reached the second target, but we don't have any idea, na? It will go up and second target and reach the third target also. So as the safest side, you have to book your profit on first target, and then you can wait for next call. So what was the next call? It was sell side, because we are not a seller, so we cannot consider these things. So we wait for the next call. Again you can see there is a signal of a buy on the rate of 206.60 paisa. The buy call came and it was perfect signal. You can see the green bar on the bottom, the 98% buyers, price action 1, 2, 3, 4 match. This square and the circle is green. Now you can see 2 target done, 3 target done, above 3 target done, and then it coming white color candle, which is indicating to you the strength is very weak. The buyer strength is very weak. Either you can book your profit on your first to second target, or you can wait till the candle is white. So like that, software will tell you everything about market. It's a sideways, it's a bullish or a bearish or a volatile. Because if your volume is not there, there is no volume. If volume is red, there is a little bit volume of sellers. And what about the stop loss? So this white color dotted line is a trailing stop loss. It's continuously trailing. So in a day, 1 or 2 call will be generated in a Nifty options. If you trade in Sensex also we have. So if you like the video, then please share and subscribe to our channel. And if you wanted to see a demonstration, please call or WhatsApp me on the same number. Thank you so much.